Good evening, students. This is Kriti Kumari from the Shekhi Cooperative College, Department of English. Today we will do letter writing. Letters are written for communication. It's the most important aspects of writing a letter. The main important part of writing a letter of job application. It's very important. What is letter of job application? Why letters are written for job application? Writing a letter to apply for a job is one of the most important aspects of letter writing. The essential elements of a job application may brighten up the chances of being selected. The crucial art can be mastered by formulating the letter with certain standards. An application for job is a kind of cover letter usually attached with an enclosure of the writer's means the candidate's name, resume or curriculum vitae. The cover letter should be so well formulated that it stimulates the employer to consider you for the position. See, while job application letter is written, means someone wants in some company or firm there must be a seat vacant for any position like manager, receptionist, CEO, anything like that. Some company they have a seat vacant. They want some candidate those that who are well suited for that position. लेटर इसलिए लिखा जाता है ताकि किसी कंपनी में आप किसी को कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट हो उस पोजीशन के लिए. सो लेटर सबसे पहले लेटर में आप लेटर फॉर्मेट तो सभी पढ़े हुए हैं, लेकिन ये आपके टॉपिक का बहुत आपके एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट. फॉर्मेट ऑफ जॉब एप्लीकेशन. एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन देयर विल बी. what you have to do is first you have to write the writer's address. जो लेटर लिख रहा है लाइक आप लिख रहे हो लेटर तो आपका एड्रेस होना चाहिए. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. you have to write your address. don't write your name like house number, holding number, anything. wherever you leave that with pin code. Leave one line, then write a date, today's date. After that again leave one line and write receiver's name with rank, address. Then again leave one line and write subject. Means what you have writing the letter. आप letter क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Application for the post of anything. Then again leave one line and then write salutation like sir, ma'am, madam. Then again come to the next line writing the salutation sir or madam. Leave one line and write the body of the letter. Means whatever the topic is you have to cover in that. Then again you have to leave one line and write complimentary close like yours sincerely. Just next to that line write your name. Again you have to leave one line and then write enclosure. Means you are submitting your letter with biodata. Means your full biodata. Why you are writing this? Because in this you have to give your full details. You are applying for a job. The company should know about you. That's why you have to write enclosure, ENCL. Give colon and then write biodata or resume. Then write at the heading write biodata, resume or curriculum vitae. Then you write your name, home address, education qualification, professional qualification, experience if you have any, age, what salary do you expect from that company, reference. Okay, and this is very important topic from your exam point of view. Letter to the editor, letters for job application. This is very important. Be careful while writing a letter. You have to follow the serially. You have to follow from where you will start with from very top. You will start with your address, left hand side of your answer sheet or notebook, and follow that line till the end. It's finished.